Welcome to Logos Eurythmy. In this video we show you step by step how to make Zodiac Aries.
Keep your head forward, bend, and touch your chin with your right hand. Let your left hand hang. The person looks at what has become through the act. It is no longer the deed alone. He has already gone away from it. He can already look at the deed. It is already the event, the fact. The event that has happened through him, that has happened through his deed. Thus, in the gesture of the Aries, we have the event. To Aries belongs the letter V, W.